Wish you a very happy new year. So today is the last day of year 2020, and let's see what the Speak Up app is going to ask me. Ask me anything. Are you happy with yourself? So I have already done this topic, so I'll take the another topic. It says return home. Ask me anything. What does the American dream mean to you? Okay. So the question is, what does the American dream mean to you? So if I remember correctly, the American dream is about freedom, liberty, and happiness, and that everyone can grow as much as they can. It's a land of opportunities, as people say. For me, the American dream is the same what I always dream, and that dream I think is applicable for every human being on this planet Earth. The dream is that we should grow as much as we can. We should be free from all our boundaries, all our limitations, which we have kept in our mind, which is because of the society's limitations, which is because of our own surroundings, and we are caged in those limitations. We are unable to grow because of that, and this is all because it's all here. We need to liberate, we need to free ourselves from these bondations so that we can grow as much as we can. Let me share you a simple story here. One of my friend asked me, do you know how much a plant or a tree can grow in his life? The answer is, a tree can grow as much as it can in his entire life. Not a single inch less, not a single inch more, as much as it can. But is it true for all our human beings? I don't think so. I know a lot of people whose potential is unbounded, it's immense, but are they growing? I know a lot of intelligent people, I know a lot of strong people, but if I see their lives, they are not growing as much potential as they have, which means that every human being is not growing up to their potential. And in fact, myself, I have not been growing as much as I can. And what is stopping? It's all here, all limitations are here. We need to free ourselves, and that is what the American dream is. That is what my dream is, that not only myself but everybody should be growing as much as they can up to their potential. Thank you.